Hey, are you looking for ways to make money online daily? Then you are at the right place. But before that, I would like you to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Tech with NiiNana. Timebox is the platform that allows you to earn money by answering questions or by testing apps. You create an account on their platform by submitting the details required. You start by entering a valid email. And after doing that, you enter a password, a suitable one for the account. You repeat the password once again, and then you confirm that you are not a robot. Yes. Then from there, you sign up. As you can see, I'm being asked to confirm whether I'm human. So I'm selecting all the boxes I see in the images. Then I verify. So now we can sign up. Account has been created, but we are being asked to confirm the email we used. So you log into the email that you used for a confirmation link or code. So that is mine that you see. You click on the link and it will redirect you to the platform to conclude the registration process. Once verification is done, you receive $0.500 into your account. And then from there, you can start partaking in the service. So you click on Start. This is where you get redirected and you can partake in the service or offers as I am going to do now. Let's try the platform out. So this is the first survey. I answer every question that comes my way. I agree to their privacy. Also, I prove or I tell them my date of birth and my gender. All these are required when you are partaking in the survey. This will prove to them whether you are the right kind of person that they need. Oh, it's rather unfortunate I was disqualified due to my location. But it doesn't matter where you are, whether you are in Africa or Europe. This platform is for you to make money. Yes, little drops of water, they say, makes a mighty ocean. So as you partake in the service and offers, there are higher chances for you to make money online with no investment. All that you need is your time, internet, mobile phone or your laptop. So let's try this survey out too. We agree to it. And as you can see, it's loading. So we take our time for it to load. So here we work our way through whatever comes our way during the survey. So I try to solve this puzzle and then verify. All these are done to prove that you are human and not a robot. So you take your time and answer all of these questions correctly, as it will give you higher chances of being able to partake in every survey on the platform. Let's move on to the next one now. I go with at an entertainment. So let's at an entertainment. Move on to the next stage. My ethnicity, I'm black. I confirm and move on to the next stage as well. This survey is also being submitted. And after submission, it will determine whether we can partake or not. Oh, it's rather unfortunate I cannot partake in this one as well due to my location and details submitted. But I was compensated $0.01. So imagine you are even compensated for 10 surveys. You are going to earn a few and you can make good use of it. If you have any questions, hit the comment box and also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Tech with NiiNana, as I'll be sharing with you daily ways you can make money online. Thank you for watching. See you soon.